This is the MYWISH 10 pack of the 5/16 by 2 inch nut and bolt set here. This is a really nice set. It comes with this plastic container here, so you get 10 sets in here. I'm currently only going to be using 3 sets right now. I picked this up. I have, we do property management. We're installing some no trespassing signs, and we needed the 5/16 by 2 inch. So I just picked up the 10 pack. I'll just save in this container here. I like the fact how it's marked here. So this is the bolt right here. You can see really nice bolt, made of normal metal, just like you get from a hardware store here. It's got the nuts right here. Then it's got the washers, and it's got the lock washers here. So I like the fact that you get a 10 set here, so you could have 10 of these. If you're not going to use all 10, you could easily store them in here, but these just have a lot of different uses. Like I said, I'm going to be using it to install some metal signs. I have a channel. I'll be doing a follow-up review on that as well, but these are just going to hold the signs in place, and it's just exactly what I needed here. So pick up a 10 pack. You got everything you need in this container here. Just a really great set.